Smoky.
These are cheese.
Oh yeah, but thing's huge. I appreciate you too.
We ain't found no money yet.
No.
We gotta go then.
I can see it.
Jeez.
Check that out.
That's the one that don't care.
Come on.
Come on. Finish my conversation.
Bro, you can shut up. We're
Snow.
now y'all see snow. Y'all get the favorite snow.
This is black little cat.
It's good.
Wait, Smoky Mountain.
How you like it?
Not in the snow.
Oh man, when it comes out, when the roads be looking like that, where you stay in your lane, you gotta follow the tracks that's already on the ground.
Oh wow. was a little early morning working.
Yeah, it was.
I think.
Nasty smokers. Well, the time has come to say goodbye. We enjoyed our stay on the last day. It decided to give us some snow, which is what we wanted to see. We went out, we played in the snow. I really enjoyed all the details that this room has, such as the headboards, the pictures. Really enjoyed this here jacuzzi tub. It's huge with jets. I enjoyed the large bathrooms with the rainfall shower head, the separate bathroom, the 50-inch TVs and the bedrooms and in the living room, hovering over the fireplace, the large balcony that gives you a great scenic view of the Great Smoky Mountains. Looks like winter wonderland.
Wait, what is it called?
It gave us a very modern feel to a cabin. It also included a full kitchen with the full stove range.
And a bottle of Stella Rose Peach.
It did not include that. We spent our own money on that. A full-size refrigerator.
And it
nice
came with that
towel
martini
floors.
ice.
It also includes a dishwasher, which was a shock to me.
And also like the laundry.
And if
Coffee
you got kids, it come
maker.
with a maid.
It has everything you need, such as dishes. We used quite a few, so that's why that one looks a bit empty. It even has your baking pans, your measuring cups, your microwave, a jug if you want to make some punch or something, your glassware, wine glasses, tall glasses, short glasses, just about anything you need, it was included. There are your pots and pans in this section here. All sizes. They even included more trash bags, wash machine detergent, scrubbers, drying rack, your silverware. So you really could actually just buy groceries, which what we should have done, because toaster, blender, because we spent well over $300 while being here for 3 days. But then again, there is 5 of us, so I mean, it depends on how big your family is. You got your closet, broom, anything you need for cleaning. Over here, you have your large walkway that includes a full-size mirror. And this is your first bathroom. This is the bathroom that the kids used. They also have a shower. It's about half the size of the shower that's in the master bedroom. You have an adult playing with the dimmer lights. And of course you have your spectacular views. Just about anywhere in the cabin. You have your views on the left. You have your views centered. You have your views from the room. And basically all around. And this fireplace is, at first I thought it was an electric fireplace, but it's an actual gas fireplace, and it gives off great heat with a timer here that you can set. So as we check out, we're gonna set it to, let's see, 10 minutes. We're supposed to be checking out at 10 o'clock. It's now 9:51, so it'll go off in 10 minutes. So, did you enjoy your stay?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your stay? Did you guys enjoy your stay?
Yes.
You see that?
No. And the truck is full. full of fuel.
Oh, wow. No, he got a bad cover on him. Alright, let's make sure we got all our chargers. Gas phones. Bye, Mr. Bear. Enjoy your fish.
You're supposed to drop the fish, bro.
And again, this room had great detail. Great detail. See that detail? Got some antlers up there. So, we had a blast. We'll have to come back.
Wait, look.
Ew.
Babe, pop the truck.